Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today we're going to be talking about the Xbox Series X. Now, for a lot of you people, you might be visiting this video for some news regarding the new Xbox Series. Now, Series X is the top-of-the-line gaming console brought to us by Microsoft, and as we all know, Microsoft always has a knack for making a more smaller, slimmer, and better version of their primary console. So, currently we don't have much news regarding it since the Xbox Series X is quite new and still people are buying it. But hopefully in the future we're gonna have a much more slimmer, a much more powerful version of this Series X console. But for now, if you do want to buy an Xbox Series X, you can buy it from any of your local store, including Best Buy as well as Target, or you can just buy it directly from the Microsoft website over here, xbox.com, and then you can either directly buy it, or you could select a retail, get yourself a monthly plan, and go ahead with that. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.